Wondering how you can relive memories in vivid details or set a goal in the future? Have you ever thought of writing a letter to your future self? Yeah, really, you can write a letter to yourself, and it is really very simple, and we'll show you that in this video. Welcome to Potsherd Media. All you need for this to happen is a Gmail and your letter. So first and foremost, search for www.futureme.com and click on the sign up button to create an account. But since I already have an account, I will click on the sign in. So after you have signed up, you will see this page where there's a space to write your letter. But wait, if you are finding it difficult on what to write, click on the Inspire Me down on the writing space to generate topic to write on. So I will put my letter here. You can also choose the date the letter will be delivered to you, which I will choose a year from now. Selecting an audience is also important, since this will show whether it should be private or public for people also to read your letter. Yes, you will get the letter through your Gmail, and also you can add as many Gmail accounts for the letters to be sent there too. Also, you can pick a style, either send just this letter or send the letter plus supporting the website, which comes with a fee. But I'm going for send just this letter, and just select the send to the future, then you are done. But what if you would like to read other people's letters? Just select the read public letters above. You see a whole lot of letters written by people that will be delivered to them in the future. Let us know if there's any website that does the same thing in the comment section.
Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next video.